Wells Fargo CEO John Stumpf expected in D.C. tomorrow to testify in front of Congress about alleged abuse of customer accounts. But our next guest says this has all been blown out of proportion. Dick Bove, market analyst, joins us now. Dick, all right, make your case. Why is this a storm in a teacup?
Well, I'm not actually saying that, Ashley.
Oh.
I put a sell recommendation on the stock, you know, the minute it came out. That's not an indication that I think it means nothing. And I've also written pretty clearly that there's a breakdown of corporate governance within Wells Fargo, and that breakdown requires a complete revision of their human resources policies, a look at their underwriting policies, and you know, a clear look at whether their IT department has control systems in place that work. All right, so that's not a small deal. What I'm saying, however, is that it is at this point still a victimless crime. I mean, nobody was hurt by it. You know, some people paid $25, you know, that they shouldn't have paid, but they'll get that money back. To take this thing all the way up to the Senate and the House seems to me to be an extreme reaction to what was actually occurring here. Even though I don't own the stock, I think there has to be major changes within the organization.
Yeah, but Dick, Wells Fargo sells itself as the, you know, your friendly bank on Main Street. We're not like those big guys. But the bottom line was they were taking money out of accounts without those customers knowing, creating fake accounts in those customers' name. The dent to its reputation, I would imagine, is pretty significant. Or do you think it will just blow over?
Well, you know, I don't think it will blow over. I think it will have an impact on the company. I mean, we saw a company called Fifth Third, which was a Cincinnati bank, run into this a number of years ago, and it actually took 2 to 3 years to straighten out the company's, let's say, corporate culture, so it became more service-oriented as opposed to sales-oriented. And I think that the same thing is going to happen at Wells Fargo. I think that Warren Buffett has to get back on the board. I think there has to be an outside organization that comes in and takes a look at all of the systems in Wells Fargo, and I think there has to be some, if you will, gift to customers to get them back on track.
Very good. Dick, we're not going to let you go. Stay right there. We're going to